What's up, y'all? We back at it, and today we back on the wagon. Like I said, man, we vlogging. Last night I was up to like, I don't know, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning, wiring some stuff up. As you can see, I'm still not done. It still looks the same. It's gonna look the same for a while until I pretty much get done and start, you know what I'm saying, putting stuff together. But in the meantime, in between time, yeah, man, we back on it. We back on the wiring. So last night we was on this box. I'm still getting the rest of the wires that I see that go to it. So that's where we at. Then hopefully we get to this one. And then we'll keep moving along and, you know what I'm saying, getting it cracking. So yeah, man. Got these soldered up. Look at my terrible solders, but it's gonna hold though. You see they ain't going nowhere. You see they ain't going nowhere. So I soldered up a lot of stuff last night. See if this one, we gotta redo that one, Pepper. We gotta redo that one. So yeah, man, start getting some stuff done, rewiring, and getting it cracking, man. Still not done. It's a rat's nest. You know what I'm saying? I was reading the comments. Some people was like, just throw the car away. Some people said they here with me, they ride with me, they want to see the process, they want to see how I go. You know what I'm saying? I got all types of responses, but the positive and negative, we're gonna keep going. I'ma show the haters we're gonna get this done. I'm gonna show the doubters we're gonna get this done. And the people that's believing in me, we gonna get this done. So yeah, man, enough of that, man. We about to get this crack and get it done. And right now, what I got? These two. All right. So, with the wire cutters, this side seems like it's pretty solid, but I'm gonna get that. Stuff up out of here. I don't want it. An electrical connection causing nothing. So got that out. So put these two together. Already got the thing on there, the heat shrink. So we're gonna use this one for the outside ones. And then we have, so we got that, and then we have another one. This one. Those match. Same thing, get that up out of there. Twist that. Wire cutters. Get this up out of there. And I gotta get me one of them little heat shrink baggies. Cut it. Put it on whatever side you desire. Okay. Put it on whatever side you desire. Let's get one through there like that. So I guess both of these would be out there like that. Bang. Get you a, you know what I'm saying? Something tighter on, so even if it pulls, it's tight, you know. They ain't going nowhere. We'll just pull into each other like that. So those two are found. What else we got? Got a red and black. Got a red and black right here. So 16 It don't wanna cut. There it goes. Yeah. We match everything up. And it's 3 sides, like I said. You're gonna find the wires on this side coming from up there. You're gonna find the wires from that side coming from up there. Or you're gonna find the wires in the middle. Or some up top. Or if not, they're also connect to each other somewhere in the fuse box, either from here to here, there to there, or something way like that. So they're all gonna match up. Just gotta keep going, man. And how much time left, y'all? Like right now, I'm looking for 2. It's 2 colors I'm looking for. I'm looking for white and red and gray and black. I looked right here. I didn't see it. I looked in the middle over here. I didn't see it. So I'm still looking. White and red and gray and black. See, I got a gray and black right here, but this has a yellow stripe, so that's not it. So white and red, gray and black. So now I'm gonna go over here. So I'm gonna come over here. White and red or gray and black. Nope. Come right here. White or red and gray and black. This gray and black, but it got the stripes. That's the one right here. White and red. It's not white and red one I'm looking for. Gray and black. Here's my gray and black one I'm looking for too. Gray and black. So white and red and gray and black. See the gray and black? That's coming from this side of the car. And the white and red is coming from this little thing right there. So take those 2, throw them over there. Alright, so remember the 2 I got. One was white and red with the yellow, and the other one was gray and black. So I got these 2. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is what we do now. Bag and tag them. Y'all throw the car away. So it's not gonna work again. Come on, man. Y'all follow directions in school? And even if it don't work, I tried. We don't give up over here, man. That's what we don't do. That's what we're not about to do. We improvise. We make things work. We don't cry about it. We don't complain. Get the job done. Get the job done right. And I had a luxury to have 5 people work on my car and call people to come work on my cars and all that, man. You gotta figure things out yourself. You gotta go through things yourself. You gotta run a business by yourself, a YouTube channel by yourself. Still try to post every day with the possibility of nobody watching. Sometimes nobody watching. But keep going, man. You're not gonna start something people gonna be watching every day. You gotta give them something to watch. Do something spectacular. And after that, they're gonna go back and watch every day. So that's what I'm working on right now, man. I'm trying to do something spectacular. So later, y'all see I'm worthy, which y'all should know already. Which y'all gonna see, and y'all can go back and watch all my other stuff. And that's how we're gonna create residuals. Residual income, residual bread. My time's coming, man. Just gotta be patient, man. Got to be patient. We're gonna say this. I'm bringing it too close right now. Just know we got it, so I'll leave that on there. What I got. White and yellow. White and yellow, white and yellow. Right. Mm-hmm.